Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kenjo, we are going to learn how to draw Gwen, the ghost spider, from Spidey and his amazing friend. So let's start drawing. First, draw an upside down U shape for the hoodie. Then draw a horizontal line from the bottom of each side, going towards the middle, leaving a space in the middle. Make a small neck going upward. Then draw a curved line from each side of the neck, going up to meet the hoodie, to make the face. Inside the face, draw a square with rounded corners for the eye. Then draw another one on the other side for the other eye. Draw a bigger incomplete square around each eye. Draw another upside down U shape on top of the first one. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then draw a line at the bottom of each side, leaving a space in the middle, the same as before. Draw a curved line coming out from each side of the hoodie to make the shoulders. Then draw a curved letter V facing sideways. Then draw another smaller V under it to make the arm. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Draw the fist on each side. Draw a line coming down from the bottom of the arm, going all the way down to make the side of the body. Then draw a wavy line next to it, starting at the hands level, going all the way down to make the leg. Repeat the same steps on the other side to make the second leg. Draw the left shoe first. Then draw the right shoe from a side view. A curved line on each arm. And some squares on it to resemble the spider web. Decorate the left leg with a couple of stripes, starting at the waistline till the top of the shoe. Decorate the shoe with a curved line at the front. Decorate the right shoe with a couple of stripes on the top, and the curved line at the front and the side. Draw some squares on the shoes to resemble some spider webs. Decorate the suit with 2 lines under the shoulders. Draw the Spidey badge on the chest by drawing a U shape at the bottom, then 4 legs on each side. Connect the top 2 legs in the middle. Decorate the inside of the hoodie with thin lines for the spider web. Go webs go! Now you can draw Gwen the ghost spider. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color. Or use a white pen or pencil over your color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.